You have it?
Wow.
Is it you?
Yeah. That's that. Spicy crabs. Thank you, darling. Wow.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean say attack. Some people, boy, hero circle thing now we gone viral, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? The whole thing the way you say, woman a sell crab. Where she name Alice and then them say Alice stays a boom and Alice go come say boom and go leg us up me in a bucket and Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, them say people, they good after suffer for the bad because them say the me stays a boom and shut down everybody out of hero circle who sell them crab and them thing. You know what I mean? Which you don't know. I mean, Minister of Health, we have to big them up on that because them don't know what go on. You see something like that in our place where people consume food, my people, you understand? You have people from overseas who come and eat them food there. Then if you not see the first look at clip that when I showcase, you know, people seeing that Alice right there, so and you see Alice has served, basically she has served the Jamaican vlogger there and she has served another vlogger from overseas, my people, you know what I mean? And if you look good and look keenly upon Alice fingernail them dirty to rotted, you know, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows I'm not disrespecting, but I'm being the truth, my people. Upon a real level, yes, when me I buy food upon roadside, my people, of course me do support roadside vendors, but you see me personally, me look for all heap of things before me stay so boom and me just buy a food like that. I love support people, local and people, but you don't know, me have to respect my belly. You know what I mean? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But upon a real of my people, before me even start the bag of talking and thing, me have a video where me really want to showcase. And so basically I don't know, say video release, video leak out the way you say woman in a bucket of Lego or thing. You understand my people, and that cause a bag of chaos and them something there. But basically there's a female who will speak out right now and she says she's the one who was behind the leaking of the video and she is also a vendor upon the hero circle thing, you know what I mean? But right now she say her life is a threat. She get threat on them thing there and she has speak out. She says she need help from the vloggers them. She need help, you understand, from social media. You don't know, say NEWLINK is an influencer, you know what I mean, one of the biggest influencer out of Jamaica. And when we see something like this, my people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, you don't know, so me have to highlight it. So what me I gotta do now, my viewers and subscribers, me I gotta showcase, you know, this video with this lady speaking out, you understand, and she had making a nose straight up, say, yo, look here, and at first, Alice had Lego things in a bucket. Alice say at first she had do it, but she had tell us straight up, say, look here, it's not first she had do it, and she had show her proof and evidence, say, look here, it's not first she had do it. So check out the video, my people, then the attacking boss drop back in.
And them say me can't, oh me enough can't come out the back himself. Eh? What a trouble me? What a pint out my crab and my can them not good. And I want to sell a foundation there. I want them to put on my uniform. I want them to put on my uniform. If me can't sell that, I'm supposed to out there because I prepare for this. I prepare for it. Because I know that the government has shut down. Me I'm going to get shut down because I'm a part of the system. You understand? I want to talk to the mayor. I want to talk to the mayor. I go a while ago, I come from them office and them say I cannot see him. Because I'm afraid to come out because my life has been threatened. Social media would help me. I'm wrong for release the video. I know I'm wrong for release the video. I'm wrong for release the video. And me a threat me again. Me a threat.
I mean, just set me up. So I say, I buy a hot beer and drink with some salt. And by me to reach to the bathroom, I start feeling. And then I take off my clothes and go down on my knees and wipe up myself and come back up.
You've never been in a situation where it come down on you and you have to just do it inside?
My brother, first.
Oh?
First it happened first.
Yeah, regular practice. Toilet. Look. This are the video when she. This is a white clothes, right? This is a different one at the same spot. At the same spot. You see it? This is our. What color this?
Color.
This is a different color. This is a different color. A green top and a tie. This is a different color. At the same spot. At the same spot. So a lie that? That could have been a lie?
Have you ever said anything to her about it or practice?
Majority of the time, me I say mind the shop. Like people come over for you. And by the stalking, it not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. So to me, blame a come for me and me. So me not take blame for nobody.
Some viewers and subscribers, that's the lady right there. You understand? And she a speak out, she a clear fear head and something, and she a say, yo, basically, her life is a threat now. Because she a get death threat and them things there. Well, truth of the matter is, I'm going to share my thoughts to the thing. Well, my people, on a real level, what you have to do when I say certain things like this, put yourself in the whole situation. You is a vendor there, and if you see a person, basically, stays a boom, right? And she a Lego things in a bucket, not the first time you do see it. Honestly, you think, what measurement would you take? Would you take your phone, video it and leak it? Or will you come to boom, take a video of her and go report it to the Minister of Health or go report it to the necessary people? You understand? What would you do? Well, for me personally, my people, what them saying at Jamaica right now, you know what I mean? Your mouth, you know that thought they make my people. Keep your mouth, keep your life, whatever, you know what I mean? On a real level, my viewers and subscribers, I appreciate the fact that we as citizens out there, we as people and for the people who go there and eat food on a daily basis, you understand, we have seen MP, a lot of people go there and consume them food and them thing, them are people. But on a real level, we appreciate the fact that now we are aware of what going on with Alice. Alice is the one who we see, you know what I mean? So we are aware of what going on with Alice, my people. On a real level, and for me personally, honestly, me would never leak something like this, like that. Me would put it out the viral. What me would do, you know what I mean? If me do video it, because I not go say me I go video nobody, but what me would do is try to talk to her first about it. You know what I mean? Me that go to her personally and talk to her about it. And if me say she do it again, like her she answer me in a way where disrespectful, then me I go report her to the necessary people. Because me now go put something out there we are going to jeopardize my money when me know say me I do the right thing. You know what I mean? I think I jeopardize a lot of people money same way. You know what I mean? Because this is how you survive. This is how you live on a daily basis. That are them bread and butter my people. You know what I mean? If you sell them crab soup and do them hustling out there. So, and when everybody thinks shut down now, no money now make. You know what I mean? So you basically set up yourself there. So you know what I mean? Because if me know some of my style lesson and you cause me if you get shut down because you go leak a video out there, me I go feel away. You understand? For truthful. So this lady me think say she should have take a different step to the whole thing. But people, me understand her frustration right now, and as me say, me appreciate the fact that she do put the video out there. But sometimes we have to do think before we do things. You understand? And when I go say, yo, she not in farm or this and that, but me just say, there's different measurement of how you do things. You get me? I say, because right now she comes, she cry out, her whole face out there, everything out there. And we know Jamaica run right now. My people, Jamaica is a serious place right now. And you see, people get killed for less than this. We go on what she do. You know what I mean? So, it's a serious place. Really serious place on people. But as me can say, I'm glad for know say these things has been highlighted out there. And Alice on a real level, you see on the first you do it and you say, you know what I mean, it's not a nasty person. But Alice, for you going at the bucket and Lego them something the Alice. On a real level, yo, you're nasty. Jaja see right there so where you cook close to this so where Alice are nasty and you're nasty. And not tell me say nothing come down pan you better something they come down pan you go out and I migler with a good and I bush go let it go or something. But if you let it go right, no, Alice, it's not a good look, Alice. You know what I mean? A nastiness that straight up. That a nastiness, Alice. Not tell me say no nasty, Alice. You know what I mean? Don't forward and say yo because the woman show proof say yo and her first yard with Alice is a regular habit to let it go in a bucket. And then yo, on a real level people, yo, we love support street vendors, we love support the hustling, but we have to be careful out there. You understand? Be careful out there when I eat. Me understand what them say crab. So Alice, we'll look into it and say crab full of hurt. So basically you can put hurt per hurt. I say y'all look funny. Me understand what them say crab full of it in our people and crab it a be here that tonight. So at least boy Jano, all if me did it from here in the past, at least right now and me see all every day. Everything I got when inside of me I go float up back. Me I let it go pop, 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 pop. Yeah man, me I go throw it up back because yo, me I go think back on the facts that judge at this a woman I me did really drink them a soup there from. At this a woman I me did really eat them a crab from. You understand? So when I really love my people, I think what we go on out there is after them conduct them investigations into this thing, yeah, them see the person who is behind it, my people, and who are do this. What the government need to do if them not a proper bathroom out, they try to construct something for these people. You understand? I look a restroom or something because you know what I mean. Do that part there, and for Alice now, you know have to go do something with she now. Me not go telling us if a ban her or whatever because you don't know, but you know have to go do something with she now and. On a real level for a lot of people, you know what I mean, people have to speak out, the vendors them have to speak out and make the people know. So look, we is not a part of that thing there, you know what I mean, because people, and me know say, a lot of people out them nah do them something what she do, you know what I mean, and me no want to see people lose them bread, you know what I mean, because they have them family to feed all because of she, and you know say you do the right thing. Me understand as me said before, the good stuff feel bad, but in a situation like this, people, I think Alice, she is the one who do this thing, so she need for PR price, you understand, and free up the people on a real level. But mama out there, boy, I wish you all the best, you understand, and as I say next time, do the things better, mama, do the things better, you know what I mean? So, you don't know what think of my people, what you all think, leave in the comment section your thoughts and how you react, and if you think say, oh, me talk, you know what I mean, it not sound good or, you know what I mean, leave in the comment section because it's free, you understand, you don't know the attacking basket to work, it's free, everybody share their thoughts, their views, you know, just leave in the comment section and please remember to do like the video, my people, follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss, and Facebook and Twitter, and people, support the channel, you understand, this is that super stick or something that support the channel, you know what I mean, support the movement, contribute to it, man, give us support, because when you support NEWLINK, I support plenty people out there, the less fortunate, who can't help themselves, straight up. Peace out and be safe, blessings, big up.